Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We are going to be starting spring cleaning here. It's not spring in Wyoming because it's snowing like crazy today, but I do want to spend some time outside when the weather starts to turn nice, and I don't want to be thinking about all the things I need to do inside. So we're going to start that now, and I have a checklist that I'm going to be working through, and it just reminds me of the things that I need to get done that I might forget about and that I usually don't do very often. So let's get started. Here is my spring cleaning checklist that I was talking about, and I have the rooms all broken down and then also different tasks that I want to accomplish in each room. And then I also have an other, and as you can see, there are things that you do like once or twice a year here, and I'm going to get to those, but I'm not going to do those when I'm actually working on each room. I'm going to do this last and go through and make sure I've gotten everything on my list accomplished. And there are certain things in each room, like shampooing carpets, for instance. I'm going to wait until every room is done, and then I'm going to go room by room and make sure all of those type of tasks are complete there at the end. My goal today was to wipe down and dust all of the things I needed a ladder for, like my light fixture, ceiling fan, curtains and rods, and all of my ledges that I have. I frequently dust the furniture and decor and baseboards that are all within reach, so I did not feel the need to spend a lot of time working on those tasks today. I wanted to make sure I had time to move the big furniture and rug so I could clean under them. It hadn't been done in a few months, and it clearly showed. If you are new, welcome. My name is Krissy, and I'm so happy you found my channel. I love to share all kinds of things here, like cleaning motivation, recipes. I'm really passionate about home decor and DIY projects around the house. And I love the rustic farmhouse style. So if any of those things are things that you are interested in, definitely hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you stick around and become part of our family. Don't worry if you can't get your whole list finished in one day. Real life happens and you need to give yourself some grace. Just keep plugging away at that list when you can, and eventually everything will get done. Alright guys, that's gonna be it for today's video. Thanks for hanging out with me. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and I hope this gives you tons of motivation to tackle your own spring cleaning list. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.